Say hello. Yeah, morning. Welcome back, everybody, to Tanana Yuut, Alaska wolf trapping. We're out here enjoying the beautiful day. We're about to go check some wolf snares here. I gotta walk in a little bit. These wolves we're dealing with here are pretty smart, don't you say?
I think so. Yeah, what makes me think that is true is when they come through these trees and hit that trail, all of a sudden they start jumping and running across the trail. Obviously, it disturbed them a little bit. So yeah, they're pretty sensitive.
Yeah. So, anyways, we're gonna ride in a little bit and take a gander. Go. Well, gentlemen, looks like wolves have not been back yet. These other two snares are just open spots that I kind of thought they would come through. I've got the main trail set, and then they should bounce through this thick stuff to get past that other guy, but I don't see any fresh tracks. So, and these are the Seneca Kill Spring sets. They've got the breakaway. Those are always nice, you know, just in case. Don't have them set. I saw what's that guy's name? What I Do. Pretty cool trapper. He don't even set those, I think he said. Those springs, kill springs. So anyways, yeah, just once they come through, man, you just gotta have your gear set, and that's all you can do. A little bit of hope, a little bit of luck. There's some lynx tracks right there. Okay, I'm gonna walk back out that way and get back to Trapper Jim. Okay, guys, we're out in the kind of the low part of the country here on the line, and we're gonna pick up a little something special piece of shit here. Looks like a fox.
That's a big pile for a fox, if that's what that is. Is that a fox? You got a plan for this stuff? Looks like a fox.
Yeah.
Not sure what you...
We've got some pea posts back behind us, but we could just save them for the next trip and freshen up one of those other ones. But yeah, you guys, we'll keep just kind of ask you guys keep Trapper Jim's brother in your prayers, thoughts and prayers. He's gonna have open heart surgery here soon, real soon. So, I'd appreciate it. Yeah. His name's Jeff. Trapper Jim's brother, Jeff. Okay. Alright, we're gonna go pick up some bait and continue on down the line.
Alright, so... we've got kind of a history of getting cats in this area. There's quite a few bunny tracks. There was a couple cat tracks the last time we come through here. So we give them this kind of glamorous, I want to call it like an estate of a pen set. Big old opening back there. And we got this kind of natural wall off the trail. So we got a beaver carcass back there, 4 snares, and yeah, it should do something. And pretty fancy big old pen set though. Got the flagging going, got the little mouse chirper back there. My buddy Kurt loaned me to try out, or he gave it to me, I guess, to try it out. I never heard of him before, but it sure sounds good. And I know my dog at the house sure liked it. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. Pretty loud.
Mm-hmm. Okay. On down the line. Gotcha. Well, guys, we're down the trail. It's fucking lynx. They're right here. I was about 75 yards that way. Right when I turned that little corner, I could start to see him. But he jumped off here and just went in the woods right before I could get my gun out. So that was cool. Big old lynx.
We'll see him again.
Yeah. Okay. There he went. Fuck. We were just talking about how often do you gotta carry a gun. Oh man. It's cool. Cool to see him like that. Little stubby tail. Big lanky body. Okay. We'll see you again. Okay guys, we're wrapping up for the day. We've got, here's another look at our sets from last week. Got a foothold there. Another one right over there on that trail. No fresh tracks whatsoever. There's a bed over there. A nice piss post you see. Another bed there actually. Trail's going back. We've got 1, 2, 3 footholds back there. Their main trail comes in right there. But yeah, when they come back, you know. Alright, well thanks for joining us. Take care and see you next time.